How to post consistently on YouTube. One of the biggest struggles for small YouTubers is staying consistent. At the start, you are excited, full of energy, and uploading often. But then, after a few weeks or months, life gets busy, ideas run dry, and you begin to skip uploads. Okay, consistency is what separates channels that grow from channels that fade away. That's the difference. So how can you post consistently on YouTube without burning out? Because it's real. Let's break it down step by step. I'm sure this will help you as well. Firstly, understand why consistency matters. YouTube wants active creators. Okay. When you upload regularly, the algorithm sees that your channel is alive and reliable. More importantly, your audience learns to expect you. If they never know when your next video will come, they stop checking for you. But if you're consistent, you build trust and keep people coming back. Now, here's the truth. Consistency does not mean posting daily. Many small creators make the mistake of pushing themselves too hard and they burn out. They upload every day for a week, okay? Then they get exhausted and disappear for months. Consistency means finding a schedule that works for you, okay? You can realistically keep the schedule. If that's once a week, stick to once a week. Don't confuse the algorithm, okay? If it's twice a week, stick to that. The key is not speed, it's reliability and keeping moving. Keep the wheels moving. The second step is planning ahead. Don't wait until upload day to decide what video you will make, okay? And what video you are making. That leads to stress, rushed content, and missed deadlines. Instead, create a content calendar. Write down your ideas for the next month. Plan titles, topics, and when you will film and edit. This gives you a clear roadmap and removes pressure of last minute decisions. Third, batch your work. Okay, put it in batches, film it and edit it, and uploading all of it in one day is overwhelming. Yeah, so instead, separate the tasks. Maybe one day you film 2 or 3 video in bulk, back to back. Just need to keep changing your clothes and hairstyles and stuff. Okay, and then another day you edit. And then another day, you work on thumbnails and descriptions. By batching, you save time and make the process smoother. And it gives you time to do other things that life accepts to you. Another tip is to lower the pressure of perfection. You're not Hollywood. Many creators stop posting because they want every video to be flawless. Okay, but YouTube is not about perfection, it's about progress. Every upload is a chance to improve. Whatever you made a mistake in the last video, correct it today. If you wait until everything is perfect, you will never post. Instead, focus on showing up consistently and improving little by little, just like a baby. They learn walking bit by bit until they're running. Let's now talk about making realistic videos. I think it's a good time to talk about it. If you don't have time for complex edits, don't force it. Start simple, okay? Use a clear structure, good audio, and straightforward editing. Don't try to be Hollywood. Viewers care more about the value and clarity of your content than flashy effects. As your consistency builds, you will naturally improve your style. Yes. Okay. Just post. Okay. Another strategy is repurposing. Now be careful, okay, with this. One video idea can turn into multiple uploads. For example, a long tutorial can be broken into smaller focused video. Okay, a list of tips can become individual deep dive episodes. Repurposing helps you stay consistent without constantly starting from scratch. Now, I don't mean posting one video over and over again, because you're going to get repurposed violation. Now, let's address motivation. It's easy to lose motivation, right? When growth feels slow, it is so off-putting. Okay, but remember this: consistency is what creates momentum. Even if your videos get a few views now, staying consistent increases the chance that one video will break out. Many creators only go viral after months of steady uploads. If you quit, you will never reach to that point. You post 10 videos, then getting 0 views and you're gone. No, stay, keep pushing them so you get to being viral. Accountability is another one. It also helps. Tell your audience your upload schedule. Okay? For example, say new videos every Wednesday. In the videos, let them know, or write it on the channel art on the banner. This creates pressure to keep your word. Okay, you can also find a YouTube friend to share goals with. Checking in with someone else makes it harder to skip, right? So don't forget the role of systems. Systems make consistency easier. Have a filming space ready for you. Don't waste time setting up lights, microphones, everything. Yeah. So keep running list of videos, ideas. Keep it and just follow one video to another. Keep going. Create templates for your description, your thumbnails, and your end screen. The more you reduce friction, the easier it is for you to stay on track. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Give yourself some credit. Consistency is a habit that takes time to build. You might miss a week here and there, and that's okay. What matters is bouncing back quickly and not giving up. Get up. Don't continue lying down because you fail. Find strength and get up. Keep moving. Success on YouTube is not about a single viral video. It's about showing up over and over until your audience grows and you're working on your name. People will know who you are, okay? Without even thinking. So let's recap on the main points. Consistency matters more than frequency. Underline that. Pick a realistic upload schedule you can maintain, okay, and keep to it. Right. Plan ahead with a content calendar. Put a calendar on the wall and what you're going to post on what date and what day. Stick to it. Batch your tasks like filming and editing. Sit down one day and record many videos and keep them in the phone, wherever, then edit them another day, and then another day post one by one. No bulk posting, okay? And putting yourself under pressure. Don't chase perfection. You're not Hollywood or Bollywood. Focus on progress. Repurpose ideas into multiple videos. Okay, the points that you made in one video, you can split them, each point as a video. That's what I mean, repurpose, not reposting videos. No. Stay motivated by focusing on the long term. Use accountability and systems to make posting easier. Be patient and keep going, even if growth is slow. Yeah. So if you follow these steps that I mentioned today, you'll be able to post consistently without burning out. Consistency builds trust with your audience, and it builds community among the audience and yourself as well. So it signals to YouTube that your channel is active, and it creates momentum that leads to real growth. No shortcuts, real organic growth. So remember, it's not about posting the most, it's about posting steadily. Steadily, just like a car. Starts from gear number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, moving on. Okay? So remember that it's not about posting quickly or whatnot the most. It's about posting steadily. Keep showing up, keep improving, and the results will come. So if you'd like to know how to get people to watch your videos longer, ensure to watch this video here. Okay? And for you to get more views on your channel right here.